Hey everybody, I'm back. Couldn't resist, so let's just do another one. Let's get this angle right. Okay, let's get right into it. Most of these I handpicked. This is the only box I did not handpick. So let's see if the retailer actually picks something good. Can't break anything. It's kind of weird. Come on, shouldn't be this hard. Instead, shouldn't be. Just gonna stab it. Screw it. Already down. Alright, so this one I did not handpick. Try to get back into focus here. There you go. Focus. Never know, they could screw you. Make sure there's enough cards. 5. I got screwed once. Okay, screwed again. Alright, you guys, let's do it. Man, if that rookie auto's on top again, it's just gonna. You might as well just quit the video and start another one. Because all the fun is already gone. Alright, base, and 2 rookies. Oh my god. What did I say, man? I said don't start with the rookie auto. And what does it do? Gives me that rookie auto. So we got Nicholas Roy. He'll go well with this other friend I have. Let's leave that guy here. Nicholas Roy. And Dylan Sakura. Huh. Go figure, right? I got 3 million of those now. Alright, well, show's over, guys. See you guys next time. Oh, man. Alright, basic. Retro. Rookie. Adam Gaudet. Base. Just go through as much as we can. Hopefully I get a pixel. We got 2 bases. 1 Charlie McAvoy as our violet pixel. Brett Howden is our rookie. Okay. Looks like got a rainbow here somewhere. Alright. This one. Yes, I can do it. I can see it. Barely see it. Our rookie is Brady Tkachuk. Man. They need to put rookie autos in the bottom. I keep seeing them on top of boxes. Okay. Looks like you got, again, another rainbow. Can you see it? This one? No. This one? I can't see it. What? 3 bases? That's kind of weird. Yeah, they should do that. And give you a rookie at least. Rasmus Dahlin. That's weird. They usually give you 2 something, 2 bases. Not this one. There's our base. Our net magnet is from the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Bay. Let's put him here. Our rookie is Jeremy Lazone. There's our base. Probably go out and buy some more. I'm not satisfied. My hunger's not met. Alright, base. Anthony Cirelli and Valimaki again. Base retro is Mr. Mike Green. Go that way. There's our base. Noah is our rookie. Whoa. Ain't that important. Okay. No pixels yet. That's crazy. Except for obviously the violet, but you know. It's gotta be better than this. Alright, we got 3. There's no way there's any of these rainbows. Wow, again. 3 basic, 1 retro. What are they doing to me? Sammy Niku. Rookie. Retro. Alright. It's not good. Oh, looks like we got our blue pixel here. So base, right? Yeah. Alright, from the Vancouver Canucks. Brock Bozer. Sorry. That's our blue. This is our retro. We'll see. You can't boot him. Let's just put the retros. Put him in there. Ryan Donato is our rookie. So next pack. So let's try to get these in order. Kind of like in field of view, so you can see them better. Alright, 2 bases, 1 retro rookie, Miro, Heiskanen, Dallas, go up there, Kristen Vaseline, rookie, focus, Canada, don't let me down, probably another one, I swear. Oh, obviously this is a rainbow. It's kind of weird, they're throwing 3 basics at us, it's not nice. These beginning pack. I bought this one in one of my first boxes that I bought. Never again, right? Alright. Got Mitch Marner. Oh, basic. Whoops, sorry. Futures now. Connor McDavid. Keep that one around. I don't get many futures now. So, this one's not too bad. Too bad I get a signatures Connor McDavid futures now. It's like 1 in 4 million, isn't it? Troy Terry is a rookie. There's our base. Alright, we're still missing 1 good pixel. We can do it. More rainbow. Probably missing it in action as well too. Oh yeah, 1 purple pixel. 2 base, there's our purple pixel. Zach Aston Reese. Oh, purple pixel rookie. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. I did not see that coming. Evan Bouchard is our rookie. Alright, looks like this is what I'm used to. 1 retro, Brian O'Reilly, and Andre Johnson, rookie. Oh, what is this? 3-1 again? What is my luck? Lars Eller is our rainbow. And 3 basics. Again, not nice. This box is just giving me 3 basics. 1 rainbow. So those were a lot nicer to me. Okay. Well, I got a red prism. Let's get rid of that way. Connor McDavid, red prism. Ooh. Connor McDavid is Mr. 18 out of 199. Love that number 1. Shining bright. Sorry about the light if it's too bright. I just noticed that. All these cards, these platinums just shine way too bright on light. Here is our rookie, Ilya Samsonov. Yeah, there you go. There's your 1, 2, 3. Well, signature, 2 pixels, 2 violets, 3 rainbows. So we're looking at what? 1 more in action. We'll do 1 more rainbow. There's a retro rookie. Sure, Anderson Dolan. There's another Connor McDavid, but it's just a basic. Alright, basic. Rookie, Robert Thomas. Almost down to the last 2. Alright, there you go. There's our net magnet. Mr. William Harrison. Put you over the future. Oh, no way. No way. Yep, there you go. 3 basics, 1 something. Wow. I remember this box. How mean it was to me. That was pretty mean. Oh, there's something there. Alright. Can't grab that. Oh, no way. Yes. I've been waiting for a stone. So long. Okay, let's get into it. Casey Middlestat as a rookie. Alright, we're gonna show the basic. Just I haven't seen it yet. My first stone. On the Kopitar. It's our basic. Alright, Victor, get in my way. I gotta see who it is. Oof. Wow. 1-on-1, Steven Stamkos from the Lightning. That's crazy. What a great last card, right? What a great last pack. Here I am whining. Got my first stone. That's crazy. It's backwards. You better read it. Why did they do that? Why do they print it backwards? Look at his name. I can barely read it. Anyways. Yeah, that's weird. Anyways, I always wanted one of these. Been seeing everybody open one of these, and I finally got one. 1 of 1. That's awesome. I'm happy. Whew. Alright. Well, guys, that's a wrap. What do you guys think of that one? That actually wasn't too bad. I know I just whined and complained, but you know, looking at it right now, it's not too bad. It could have been a lot worse, and I'm happy. Can't wait to buy a couple more. Show you guys. I think there's a card show coming up this weekend. I don't know if I'll make it. My daughter's birthday is this weekend, so. Anyways, you guys take care. Don't forget to show me them decks. I want to see it.